I put baking soda on my feet and look what happened. You need to know this trick. I will show you everything that happens if you put 1 spoon of baking soda on your feet. I highly recommend you do it. I am sure you will thank me later. Before I reveal all about it, tell me here in the comments from which city you are watching this video. Baking soda tricks. Number 1. Lighten parts of the body. Baking soda is very effective for lightening dark spots on the body. Mix baking soda with a little water and wipe it on your knees, elbows, or any other part of your body that you want to lighten. After a few weeks you will notice that the body parts will be much lighter. Number 2. Clean your vegetable cutting board. Over time, the cutting board will darken. To prevent this, put 1 or 2 tablespoons of baking soda on it, and then squeeze lemon over it. Leave it for a few minutes and wash it as usual. It will be as good as new. Number 3. Make a homemade toothpaste. Bicarbonate is an excellent alternative to toothpaste. It has a cleaning and whitening effect on the teeth. Number 4. Remove all the bad smell from the waste basket. After you remove the papers that cause bad smell in the basket, just put 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate and the bad smell will come out completely. Number 5. Wash fruits and vegetables. The bicarbonate removes germs and bacteria very quickly. Just put 1 tablespoon of baking soda in water and let the fruits and vegetables soak for 5 minutes. Number 6. Get rid of bad smell from the refrigerator. If your refrigerator is smelling bad, put some bicarbonate in a glass and leave it in the refrigerator for 7 days. It will absorb the smell completely. Number 7. Remove moisture from the closet. To prevent clothes from spoiling due to moisture, just put some baking soda with some raw rice. Number 8. Treat urine infections. Every woman has ever felt that pain when urinating because of cystitis. When you have this problem, just put a glass of water and add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a lemon. Take it 3 times a day until the symptoms disappear. Now is the main trick. It is on the feet that the greatest amount of stress accumulates. Even more so if you stand all day. They become stiff and swollen. Bicarbonate is an excellent soothing and relaxing agent for the feet. Put your feet in a basin of warm water and add 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate and rub half a lemon. Let it sit for 15 minutes and your feet will be more relaxed. Did you like these tricks? I hope so. Let me give you a message from James 1-12. Happy is the man who endures temptation, for when he has stood the test, he will receive the crown of life that God has promised to those who love him. The Bible says that Jesus was tempted in the desert by Satan, but he overcame all temptations. It is an example that we too can overcome by persisting in prayer, fasting, and also by always being vigilant. May God bless you all. Until the next video. Bye.
Subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends and family.